Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Mapinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Anker PowerDrive Speed Plus 2. Okay, Anker has a couple of different models of car chargers. It's a good thing that I have this right now because the one that I'm using in the car seems to be not able to charge anymore. Not sure if it's the device or the problem with my alternator, but the alternator is new, so that shouldn't be a problem. You can buy it in Shopee for 2,395 pesos only. As you can see, it's the Anker PowerDrive Speed Plus 2 with 30 watts power delivery port. Okay, as you can see here, yeah, it says it has 30 watts na USB-C port. Okay, we'll open it later to see exactly what it means. Okay. As you can see here, ayan o. Ayan o, dual port USB-C and USB-A. Okay. Okay. So, yun lang ang sinasabi niya. So, we're gonna open it now. Okay. The only thing left in the box is the manual. We're not gonna bring it out now. Nope. So it's double, and there it is. Okay. So there's a port for a USB and there's a port for a Type-C cord, which I guess you can use for your Mac or the other Type-C device says that's powered. So we're gonna test it out later and see if it works in my car, if it can charge my devices. If not, then I think it's the problem is my alternator. So don't forget, if you need one, you can buy this. It's on Shopee. Thanks guys, bye.